If Pixlr is giving you an image upload error, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We'll cover file format issues, file size problems, browser conflicts, cache cleanup, hardware acceleration, and even how to check whether the problem is on Pixlr's side or yours. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, check the file format of the image you're trying to upload. Pixlr works best with common formats like JPG, PNG, WEP, and in some cases PXZ depending on the feature you're using. If your file is in an unsupported format like HEIC, RAW, or another camera-specific format, Pixlr may fail to upload it. In that case, convert the file to JPG or PNG first. You can do this using an online converter, your phone's export option, or a built-in image editor. After converting, try uploading the new file again. Next, check the file size and image dimensions. Even if the format is supported, a very large image can still trigger an upload error. If your image is huge, try compressing it or resizing it before uploading. Reducing the dimensions can make a big difference, especially if you're working with high-resolution photos from a camera or phone. Once the file is smaller, return to Pixlr and test the upload again. If the image still won't upload, open Pixlr in an Incognito or private window. This helps you test whether the issue is being caused by cached data, browser extensions, or saved session problems. If the upload works in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is coming from your regular browser setup rather than Pixlr itself. Now disable any ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPN extensions you have installed. These tools can sometimes interfere with upload requests, cloud connections, or website scripts. Temporarily turn them off, then reload Pixlr and try again. If the upload starts working after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. Another important fix is to clear your browser data. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time. Then check cookies and other site data, and also check cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data and reload the Pixlr page. This step often resolves weird upload bugs caused by old or corrupted browser files. If the problem continues, go into your browser settings and toggle hardware acceleration. If it is already turned on, switch it off. If it is already off, turn it on. Different systems respond differently, and sometimes this setting can cause display or upload issues in web apps like Pixlr. After changing it, restart your browser and test the upload again. If you still get the error, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or Brave. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes affect file upload behavior, and testing a different browser is a quick way to narrow down the problem. Finally, check whether Pixlr is having a server-side issue. Go to a site like Is It Down for Everyone or Just Me and test pixlr.com. If the website is having problems for everyone, then the upload error is not coming from your computer. In that case, the best solution is to wait and try again later. So to recap, verify the file format, convert unsupported files, reduce file size, test in incognito mode, disable conflicting extensions, clear browser data, toggle hardware acceleration, try another browser, and check Pixlr's server status. One of these fixes usually solves the upload problem fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.